Welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. If you thought the channel is going to hibernate, no it's not, just a lack of time. And last night my friends Linus and Hajö, who are not into Mercedes and not into old cars at all, reminded me unconsciously to update you on what's going on. So here we are. Unfortunately I couldn't get hold of Gernot, but as you could see in the starting picture, last night when I walked home, I could see that somebody has been working on this car. Honestly, I love it. I would just leave it as it is and clear coat it. So obviously some work has been done. The chrome rings on the headlamps are missing. So whip, work in progress, I think. When I last met with Gernot on the Bleakede Oldtimer Festival, he told me that the doors are due to be replaced, and I think he already has new doors. Here we still see the old ones. Also in the back some grinding has been done. Not so sure about the lid, but safety inspection is coming up, so he's got 2 more months. And in the next video, which will come up shortly, we will talk to Gernot about what he plans to do next. Doors, painting, maybe some mechanical work, and of course I'll keep you updated. So looking forward to see you soon. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye.